Okay, I better take the lens cap off. July 2nd. This is beautiful. This is something I've never seen a true multi-vortex tornado before. Okay, we're about 10 kilometers south of Swan Lake. I hope that is in the picture, yeah.
This is crazy.
Okay, it looks like it's going to get choked off pretty soon. This is why I storm chase. Hey Derek, it's Carlson again. It's still on the ground. It's still multi-vortex, and I'd estimate half a kilometer
I am watching
wide
a tornado.
And it's not moving
We're
very
10
quickly.
miles
it's going
south of Swan
at about
Lake.
5 kilometers an hour.
Multi-vortex tornado, Mom. This is freaking amazing.
I'm getting about 4,000 pictures.
It is
you guys
so
will see
cool.
this thing tomorrow.
This
it's
storm
amazing.
is phenomenal.
Okay,
Like
so
this is just, I've never seen anything
still
like
on
this.
the ground,
This is crazy.
very wide.
The clouds are streaming in, the funnels are coming down, and it's just like it's coming in, it's coming up, it's going everywhere.
Just,
oh my
dust
god!
and dirt for debris.
No, we're out in the middle of a field.
All right, I gotta reposition now. I'll talk to you later.
Wait, are you
Bye.
serious? Oh yeah.
Okay, we gotta
Dave's called it in twice. And
we gotta get in the car.